VegasLoveBug at Whiskey Pete's at 80-cent bet with a $20 bill in. I got the owls. So let's see what this will do on 80 cents.
You'll be singing and dancing with PETES, a top regional Mexican group reflecting over 20 years in music.
Come on.
Perform on Saturday, February 22nd at the Star of the Desert Arena at Buffalo Bills Casino.
7 games left. Come on. Oh. Oh, big deal. 9s. Come on. Let's see something happen here. It took long enough to get this. $4.80. I may as well keep playing it. Look at that. Almost got him. Look, almost got him again. That's better than the special. Well, let's see if anything happens. Come on. Come on. Again, I'm thinking I should have quit while I was ahead. Come on, Owlie, let's go. VegasLoveBug here at Whiskey Pete's. Still trying to make a lot of videos. Nope. Nope. Come on. Something's got to happen here. One owl is not enough. Come on. Let's see something happen here. There's a little bit. Okay. 2 spins. Come on. Okay, whoop-de-doo. Come on now. Okay, there we go. Maybe it'll turn around. Maybe it won't. Come on, all the way across. Well, that helps. Another spin at 80 cents. Oh, why didn't it just give it to me? And that's it. The 20 is gone. I should have quit while I was ahead. Oh well. VegasLoveBug signing off from Whiskey Pete's. Please subscribe if you feel sorry for me. And leave a comment so I can subscribe back. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.